Supporting our own mental flourishing requires first knowing our response to stress and also knowing how to practice self-care. As college students, sometimes we can't find the resource we need, or the lines are long, or the system just seems broken. As international students, we might also face discrimination, culture shock, or other stressors.
I overthink a lot, and this is a big problem for me. So I constantly worry about things that are beyond my control.
Presidential politics and politics in general. Also, I guess good weather. You know, the summer, the spring, the beginning of the fall is just by nature of what it is. I guess the seasons, the middle of the year contributes to my mental flourishing. That's really outside of myself, beyond myself.
The social circumstances and the health problems are the sources of stress beyond my control.
My parents got divorced, and sometimes I get roped into like squabbles and arguments between them. Also be sometimes when it's just a lot of academic stress, when I get a bunch of assignments that are assigned to me and I have no control over how many assignments I get.
As an international student, we depend on fundings from our university. So if my funding got cancelled, then this is not in my hand. So this kind of situation can happen. So I can face economic uncertainty. While searching for jobs, you have the offer, but at the last time, the company denies that they will not take you. So that can give you very sudden stress that is beyond your control. Health condition, health issues or natural disaster can also be a significant stressor that I cannot directly influence.
So some stressors beyond my control include the immigration process, such as visa issue and the political climate between countries that can affect my ability to stay in the United States. Additionally, global events or changes in the education system that impact international students are also out of my control. The distance from my family during difficult times, including the dream pandemic, is another stressor that I can't change.
Many international students at our campus have shared concerns about academic stress, social expectation, and financial stress, among others. Sometimes these stressors are beyond our control. If we respond with anxiety or fear, we become less able to tolerate them. So, how can we learn to manage the situations that are beyond your control? First, we can recognize them as situations we can't change. For a simple example, maybe you're stressed out by the very cold temperature or gray skies of a Minnesota winter. You can't change the weather, but it helps to know why you're stressed out and that the situation is beyond your control to change. Second, we can pay attention to how we are reacting to situations beyond our control. For example, maybe you're responding to the weather with frustration or anxiety. By becoming aware of this, you're mentally taking a step back. The situation isn't about you, it just is. This simple stepping back helps you know yourself and your stressor better. And third, you can practice self-care. Now that you know the weather makes you feel anxious, you can shift your energy towards coping and caring yourself through the cold winter month.